Amid the spread of the new COVID-19 variant Omicron and the international economic crises that major world powers are witnessing in the so-called post-pandemic period, the USA is still living a high price surge and unprecedented inflation. Many declarations of American economists in the White House and the USA sounded reassuring to the population, explaining that these inflation rates were just a transitory period of economy. Americans now are claiming this long-lasting price surge, and declarations of economists do not seem as reassuring as they were in the immediate period after the last wave of COVID-19. A report issued by the American government came to reinforce the last statements of economists, stating that consumer price index soared to 6.8%. Price soar cannot pass in an unseen manner, as large consumption products consumed on a daily basis by U.S. citizens soared up to 21% for some goods. Reasons of this inflation in the United States and the world came after businesses closed or cut hours, and consumers stayed home as a health precaution. Employers slashed 22 million jobs. Economic output plunged at a record-shattering 31% annual rate in last year's April-June quarter.